Hello everybody. Today we're gonna have a look on buckling test via Solidworks. Let's take example of simple column with dimension of square beam 80 by 80, thickness 5 mm, and length 1000 mm. Let's first understand failure of buckling. When a column is loaded in uniaxial tension, it will fail when the normal stress in the column exceeds the yield or tensile strength of the materials. And if the column is loaded in compression, it will fail in either two cases: first, crushing when compressive strength of materials exceeded, or it could fail in compression by buckling. Buckling is a loss of stability that occurs when applied compressive load reaches a certain critical values, causing change in the shape of the column, producing a large displacement and deformation. Now, let's see how to perform buckling test in SolidWorks. Open the square column model, go to Simulation tab, choose New Study. On the left side, choose Buckling. Firstly, let's select the column material, apply materials, choose the bar material. Secondly, right-click on Fixtures, select the type of fixing the column. In this example we will fix from one base, with Fixed Geometry option. Select the surface where the bar is fixed from. Third step, apply the load by right-click on External Load, select Force, then we select the surface to which the force is applied. For instance, let's apply force of magnitude of 50,000 N. The forces in all buckling cases is only axially applied to the bar in compression direction. Then, we're gonna run the test. Mainly we have to look at the load factor. If it's higher than 1 means the bar will stand for buckling load. Less than 1 means the bar will be buckled. Let's increase the forces 10 times to be 500,000 N and rerun the test again. The load factor come to 2.2, which is still safe. Thanks for watching.